Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mitul Sarkar and today I'll be teaching you about cover letters, how to write a cover letter. But before we start, the first question is, do we really need cover letters? Are they really important? The answer is yes. Resume and cover letters go together and they can make wonders. Now the question is, how to write a cover letter? A cover letter is a guide and it is gives the first impression or creates the first impression. Imagine a hiring manager comes across so many resumes on a daily basis. But if you write a cover letter and you attach it with your resume, then it gives you an edge. So, cover letter is an integral, it's a crucial part of your journey when you are seeking a job, when you are in search of a job. How to write a cover letter, that we'll discuss today. Before that, what is a cover letter? It is a one-page document sent with your resume. It introduces you. It explains why are you the right fit for the job. It also tells about your accomplishments, about your experience, about your qualification. Though all these things you've already written in your resume, but you give a snippet. In a short paragraph you write about these things, and you also try to explain that why are you a suitable fit for this particular job. So tailored to a specific job position and employer. So this is what a cover letter is. Why is a cover letter important? It highlights your qualification. It shows that why are you interested in this particular position. It gives an edge to you, it adds a personality to your application. And when you write a good cover letter, it also differentiates you from other candidates or other people who have applied for the same position. If you talk about the structure, see, structure is very important to write when you are writing a cover letter, because you see, a well-structured cover letter gives a very good impression. So the structure of cover letter is that obviously you will write the header, then comes the greeting. Maximum you can write 4 paragraphs, small paragraphs in your resume, in your cover letter. 3 to paragraphs are sufficient, 3 to 4, and keep it short and simple, because already you are giving all your details in your resume. So the body paragraphs are very important, and that we'll discuss later how we will write that. And then conclusion, and after that sign off. So this is the structure of your cover letter. When we come to the header and greeting, the header should be, you can write your name. That is also optional, because when you're signing off or you're writing at the end of the cover letter, you're writing your name. So first is you can write your name, your address, phone number and email. So your contact details are very important. Then we come to the next part, that is date. In any kind of official document, any kind of application or email, it is and especially if it's an official one, it is very important to mention date. Then you will write employer's name, title, company's address, then the formal greeting. If you want, you can use Dear Hiring Manager, that I've not written here, but you can write Dear Hiring Manager. If you know the name, very good, you can write Dear Mr. XYZ. In case you do not know the name, you can also write Dear Sir or Ma'am. Then, one important thing is that you should avoid generic phrases like to whom it may concern, because these things have become, especially this phrase has become very obsolete. So avoid using the generic phrases like these. We come to introduction. First is state the position you are applying for. Then you have to mention what is the source. Mention how you found the job. It can be through some job portal, it can be through newspaper advertisement or some reliable source, somebody told you about it. So you have to mention that, and then include a brief hook, like 1 to 2 sentences, as a explaining why you are a great fit for the job. Then we come to the body paragraph. highlight your accomplishments that are relevant to the job. Like if you are a BTech graduate, then obviously you will mention certain things which are related to your coding skills or your technical skills, how your skills match the job description. You can pick some keywords from the advertisement and see and you can add those keywords in your cover letter. Like in case they want programming skills, so you can write about it that you have good programming skills. Then we come to the last point, that is you will demonstrate your knowledge of the company and industry in case you have any kind of experience. Even if you have done some kind of internship somewhere, you will write about it. Then we will conclude your cover letter. So in the conclusion, you will restate your enthusiasm for the role. You will mention your availability for the interview, and obviously you will write that you are available for the interview and you're willing to join the company. The letter should be able to highlight your interest, that your willingness to join that particular company. Then you will, at the end, you will show your gratitude and you will say thanks to the employer, thank the employer for their time and consideration. So I can show you one sample quickly. Like I told you, your name, your address, your email, your phone number, then comes the date, then the company's address, city, date. The subject is application for the position of software engineer, whichever position you are applying for, you can write that. I have written here, dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest in the software engineer position at ABC Technologies as advertised on the Naukri.com. So this is the source from where you came to know about the particular position that you're applying for. As a BTech graduate in computer science with hands-on experience as a software developer intern at PQR Technologies, I am eager to bring my technical skills and enthusiasm to your innovative team. So the very first, in the beginning, you have told that the source from where you came to know about a particular position. You have also told in one line that you're a BTech graduate and that you also have experience. Then we come to the next part. During my tenure as a software developer intern, I gained practical experience that complements my academic background. My hands-on involvement in software testing and development projects has equipped me with a strong foundation in programming languages such as C++ and Python, aligning well with the requirements of this role. Additionally, my familiarity with MongoDB further enhances my ability to work effectively on diverse projects and data-driven applications. So here you're highlighting all the technical details, not exactly in detail, but you're giving hints. In one line you're telling that you have a strong foundation on things like C++ and Python, and probably these are the keywords that you've picked from the particular advertisement. Then we come to the closure. We are moving towards the end. What excites me most, now here you are showing that how enthusiastic and excited you are to join this particular company. So what excites me most about ABC Technologies is your reputation for delivering cutting-edge software solutions and fostering a collaborative development environment. I'm confident that my technical capabilities combined with a strong work ethic and eagerness to learn will allow me to contribute meaningfully to your projects. Enclosed. Now you are telling that you've already enclosed your resume here. Enclosed is my resume for your kind consideration. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to the success of ABC Technologies. Now you see, you are here in this line. You are already showing that you are interested to come and give the interview. So thank you for taking the time to review my application, and then you can write regards, yours sincerely, and you will write your name. So this is one sample that I've shared with you. You can make changes according to the position that you've applied for, and make sure that cover letter is an integral part of your journey when you are searching for a job. Along with your resume, you should always add